In this video, I will show you step by step on how to buy from 1688 without using agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you get it done. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy from multiple supplier on 1688. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 account right here. Alright, so having opened up your 1688 account, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the item to cart. So I have already had all the item to cart in order to save time in this video. So if you don't know how to add item to cart, you consider to check the video on my channel. I have made a step-by-step video on how you add an item to cart. After you have successfully added an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. So these are all the items I was able to add into cart, and these are the items I'm going to make a purchase straight up. So for me to purchase all these items from different supplier, so what I'm going to do next is to make sure I click on here. So having clicked on that, all the items is going to select automatically, just like what you see right here. So next thing I want to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. At this point here, so you can see, you can also scroll down and see all the items, and we are going to make a payment. So they are all multiple, they are different items from different suppliers. So next thing I want to do here is to click on here to check out. So I'm paying the sum of 484 yuan to purchase all these items right here. So I'm going to click on here to proceed to check out. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then I'll enter my payment password. Boom. So it's as simple as that. So you can see right here, we are able to purchase from different 9 suppliers at the price of 484.69 yuan. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here. By the time I refresh, all the products, all the 9 suppliers we just purchased for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So now you can see all the 9 different suppliers we are able to purchase from at a single payment on 1688. So this is how to purchase from different suppliers on 1688 without using agent. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.